Saliador again. 2 points. Number 20, 27 naman si 27, 2 points by number 20. 27, side stepping move, 2 points.
Ha?
Ano yung maliit?
Pangalawang pasok. Cruz, 2 points. Number 3, pass number 15, number 15, Number 20, score na ba? Wala pa rin. Nakalino. Pinuno, number 0, 2 points. Oh. Side saving move. Up. Two points, Donato. Basket. .7 Donato, pass number 16. Cruz, Saliador sa gitna. Ang ganda naman ang pasahan noon. Number 2. Masyado mataas na kuha ni Saliador. Yan na. The rebound. Number 16, libre-libre. 2 points. Number 16, 2 points. Wala talaga sa pulso may foul counting. First personal foul, 30 foul. Wait lang. Pumasok na yan. Two points, number 16. Bola, 2 points. 20 seconds, basa na naman ang galing. Number 72, wala. 16, 2 points, number 19. Number 16. 15 to shoot. 2 points, number 16. Number 16 pa rin. Ang huli. Pumasok yan, boss. 27, 2 points. 2 points, number 16.